This tutorial review will show you how to change background photo of any picture on iPhone for free without any software. So right now I will change this photo background. So first of all, I'm going to opening my browser and typing here change background of photo. Then open this website remove.bg. Tap on upload photo. And I'm going to selecting my photo here. And it may take some time to upload the photo here. Once it's uploaded, from here you can select a new background for your photo. And to set a solid color for the background, select background color. And now you can select a solid background color for your photo. You can add a custom color from here. And once it's done, tap on download. Open in, and tap on save to files. Select a folder where you want to save the photo. Tap on save. Now go to your files app, and here you will get the photo. Tap on the share icon, tap on save image, and the photo will be saved to your photos app. And here is the before and after result. So this is how we can change background photo of any picture on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.